team members to work smoothly with each other without any ego hassles or mind games? Would you want your people to consistently deliver excellent performance and drive your organization's growth story? Would you like to build a great culture in your organization, established on a solid foundation of mutual respect? If yes, then this is the book you must read. Hello, I'm Indranil Mitra, and I'm excited to introduce my book, Creating Value by Valuing People, an HR manual for the digital age. Whether you are a business leader or the founder of a startup or an HR professional or a team leader in the digital economy, this book is a must-read for you. Here you will discover strategies to create the perfect workplace and to unlock the potential of your employees for excellence. Discover how to create value by valuing the people who make your organization thrive. It's available on Amazon and Flipkart. Happy reading.